I don't think there should be duplicate characters at character dining.
No.
Because we went to an awful lot of stuff with those chipmunks.
Oh, my gosh.
Like every dinner had a chipmunk.
With a different shirt on.
Yeah. Enough with the chipmunks.
Hey, it's you again.
We saw them at Liberty Square, at the character dining there.
And then we saw them at
Epcot. With
the rotating tables.
Yeah.
We saw them again when we went over to Animal Kingdom at the breakfast.
In Animal Kingdom breakfast with them?
Yeah, they came over in their hunting gear or whatever.
I don't remember that.
They're like...
I don't remember having a character breakfast at Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, Dinah whatever Saurus.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Dinah whatever Saurus.
Yeah. No, they were there. I think Donald was there. Enough with Chip and Dale.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
I can't believe I'm saying that actually out loud.
Enough with the Chip and Dales?
Chip and Dales?
Yeah. Hey.
At least switch up who they are. Come on.
They got no pants?
No. Yeah. Got no pants. Of course they don't have pants.
Dale called in sick today. So we had to call just a Chip and Dale in.
Sweet.
Yeah, so it's Chip and Nitro today. Nitro will be filling in for Dale.
Meanwhile, Chip's like, who's this douche with the schmeckle?
No, dude, you can't wear the pants.
This is not part of the deal.
It's like, I know.
Like,
But hey.
This is what I got going on.
Don't tell me how to shake my nuts.
Wow. Oh, it's getting warm.